Language models are completely stateless. Every API call starts from zero. There is no built-in memory. Building conversational continuity is entirely your engineering problem. The foundational pattern is conversation history replay. Each turn, both user messages and assistant replies, gets appended to a history list. Before calling the model, you serialize that entire list into the prompt. The model receives the full conversation in one request and responds contextually. This is how every production chat feature maintains continuity across turns. The challenge is context windows. Models accept a fixed token limit, commonly 8,000 to 128,000 tokens. A long conversation will eventually overflow it. You have two core strategies. Truncation drops the oldest messages to stay within budget. Simple, but you lose early context. Summarization compresses older turns into a condensed block, preserving the semantic gist at the cost of some precision. In-memory history is fragile. A server restart wipes everything. In production, persist each conversation turned to a database keyed by session ID. On reconnect, load that history and reconstruct the prompt. Your AI state becomes fully independent of your server lifecycle. For long sessions, combine both approaches. A sliding window keeps the last end turns verbatim for recency. Turns beyond that threshold get compressed into a single summarized block prepended before the window. The result is effectively unlimited conversation length without exponentially growing token costs. Stateful AI, persist turns to a database, replay the full history in every prompt, and manage context limits with sliding windows or summarization. Follow for more AI engineering deep dives. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.